Having the right home buying team is essential. It's going to benefit you in numerous ways, such as saving you money, frustration, and increasing your quality of life. When assembling your team, take into account recommendations and reviews from local professionals within the home buying field. Your team is going to consist of yourself, your loan officer, your real estate agent, your home inspector, and your attorney. All these people combined have the same common goal of getting you the right house and looking at your best interest. You play the most important role in your home buying team. You're the coach. It's your responsibility to hire the right team members. So ask questions, interview them, act as if they have a role to play within your milestone event of home ownership, because they do. It's imperative that you identify your own wants and needs and communicate them with your team in order to help them help you. The primary duty of your mortgage person is to secure financing so that you can get the keys to your new home. Their secondary directive is to make it look easy, to save you stress and frustration. Your purchasing power needs to be documented through your local mortgage loan officer with the pre-approval. A good loan officer issues your pre-approval after thoroughly reviewing your financial trinity documents, which is your credit, your income, and your assets. And worst case scenario, if they can't issue it, they'll identify and give you solutions to any issues that arose. The pre-approval document essentially arms your realtor with the weaponry used in your house hunt. Your realtor is a vital member of your home buying team. They'll help you find the house that fits your wants and needs, assist in negotiating and communicating with the seller side as well as each member of your team, review the home inspection with you, take you on a final walkthrough of the home, and renegotiate with the seller side if the need arises. Normally, the seller pays the real estate commission, so working with an expert is definitely worth every red cent since they're paying. The seller has their realtor looking out for their best interest. You deserve the same. The certified home inspector makes sure that you're not buying a lemon. Their report will let you know if the house is up to code and if there are any defects. The inspector looks at numerous items, but at bare minimum, according to the American Society of Home Inspectors, the minimal checklist will cover the heating system, central AC system, interior plumbing and electrical system, the roof, the attic and visible insulation, walls and ceilings, floors, windows, doors, and the foundation and basement and structural components. After reviewing the home inspection, you'll have two options. Option one is to negotiate the offer or walk away from the home. The second option, if you're satisfied with the state of the house, you can simply move forward with the transaction. At this point, the attorneys start communicating, and the seller's attorney draws up the contract. The final member of your team is your lawyer. Your attorney takes care of the escrow and reviews the verbiage in the contract to protect you. The seller's attorney is the one that writes up the contract, and your attorney is the one that orders the title report and reviews the title report on the property to ensure that the property is in good standing. Each member of your team has a role to play in your home buying process, and they each share the ultimate goal of getting you the keys to your new home. This will be done if they work together cohesively. And if you feel someone is causing more harm than good, remember it only takes one bad apple to ruin the bunch, so fire them from your team. Happy house hunting.